Welcome to our channel. Today we how to launch a SaaS product successfully, a full tutorial step by step clearly. Identify your target audience and their specific needs. Conduct thorough market research to analyze competitors. Define the unique value proposition of your SaaS product. Draft a clear product roadmap outlining key features and timelines. Choose a suitable technology stack based on your product requirements. Assemble a skilled team with expertise in development, design, and marketing. Create a functional prototype to validate your concept. Gather feedback from potential users and iterate based on their insights. Design an intuitive user interface that enhances the user experience. Develop a minimum viable product, focusing on core functionalities. Implement robust security measures to protect user data. Plan your pricing strategy tailored to your audience and market conditions. Build a pre-launch marketing strategy to generate buzz around your product. Utilize social media, blogs, and webinars to raise awareness. Create a landing page to capture interested users' emails. Launch a beta version to test the product with early adopters. Collect feedback during the beta phase to make necessary adjustments. Prepare a support system to assist users post-launch. Finalize your marketing plan for the official launch. Utilize PR and influencer marketing for broader visibility. Launch your SaaS product with a clear announcement and promotional activities. Monitor user engagement and feedback closely after the launch. Continuously improve your product based on user input and market trends. Develop a retention strategy to keep users engaged long-term. Analyze performance metrics regularly to inform future decisions. Stay committed to evolving your product to meet changing demands. Build a community around your product for ongoing support and updates. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.